Today, we're going to learn how to draw a Brontosaurus. When drawing, it's best to mark out basic shapes for your picture before you begin to add more detail. Use a pencil to create lighter lines for this, and then use a pen to draw out the final work. Let's take our pencil and start drawing a line in the middle of the page. Add a big arch on top, so that you form a semicircle. Then, draw a smaller, flatter circle underneath. This will be the body of the Brontosaurus. The key feature of a Brontosaurus is its long neck. Draw a long, curved line that arches over the body. On the other side, draw another long, curved line for the tail. Connect the neck to the body by drawing a smaller, arched line, doing the same for the tail. For the head, draw a small egg shape at the top of its neck. We're drawing a much smaller version of a Brontosaurus, so draw two flared lines that look like a tree trunk at the bottom of its body. Draw another tree trunk shape next to this. Now we've outlined the Brontosaurus, we can use our thick pen for the final touches of line work. Inside our Brontosaurus head, draw a small oval shape for his eye and begin to shade half of this shape for his pupil. Next, use your pen to mark around half of the Brontosaurus's head, adding in an extra smaller curved line to define the mouth. Carrying on the pen line created for the head, draw down and around the neck until you almost reach the body. Carry your pen line all the way around his body until you reach the tip of his tail. Take your pen to the top of his tail and draw a connecting line from his body to the end of his tail. Re-outline Brontosaurus's legs. Adding in some flat, stumpy feet and his little toes. Now draw in the line under his tummy and add in his rear feet. Wait for the pen to dry and you can rub out your pencil markings. Now that's how you draw a Brontosaurus. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Look out to see what else you can draw with just a few simple shapes.